Welcome one more week! As you know, we're uploading one educational episode, one activity related to that episode, and an educational resource that you can download. And since we were talking about space, in today's video I want to show you how to make this cool sand that reminds us a lot to what moon sand must look like. Today we make moon sand with the Gato rainbow and the Gata moon. For this activity you're going to need 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 5 tablespoons of olive oil. First, we're going to mix the sugar and the oil. Until you can feel that the sugar is wet. And now we're going to slowly mix it with the corn flour. And since I didn't have any more space to mix, I decided to move it to a bigger container. And now we mix it until everything is very well combined. And just like this, look, when you press it, you can make big rocks. It's so cool and satisfying, and it looks a lot like the sun on the moon. You can play with your kids and tell them to create some rocks and then count how many they made. Or you can use it as sensory tray and trace numbers, letters, shapes, as we always tell you. And look, the rocks that you can create are really strong, you can even throw them. If you're liking this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And also with the space theme, we created this resource that you can download. There are templates to learn the numbers from 1 to 10 with the planets. You can use them with Play-Doh or with dry erase markers. And it's a great way to teach them the base 10 system, where they can associate numbers with their quantities. Let me show you how I used it. I mixed 2 colors of Play-Doh so it's more space-like. And then you can make stars to create the amount that is on the planet. What do you think? Do you like it? We're gonna leave the link in the description box of this video. We hope you liked the very easy activity that we showed you today. Really, it's so satisfying. We had so much fun playing with this. We'll see you next week with the last episode of the season. You can't miss it. It's gonna be very special. See you next week. Bye!